with Innichka Chef, and welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode we are making steak, flank steak or skirt steak with yummy mushroom sauce. So for this recipe we need first of all marinate meat, and skirt steak has so much flavor, but unfortunately it's tough meat, so it requires some time to marinate, and I recommend anywhere between 2 to 6 hours. So it's not quick marinade, but it's well worth it. This is grass-fed beef, so it's more flavor and better for you. And for the marinade, you need just simple few ingredients: salt, lemon zest and lemon juice I will use, garlic, fresh garlic, red peppercorns, freshly ground black pepper, olive oil, and rosemary. And for the sauce, I chose wild mushroom, oyster mushroom, and chanterelle mushroom. They're kind of both not too strong smelly mushroom. I would say chanterelle even more mild. If you don't have those mushrooms, use shiitake mushroom or porcini mushroom or any mushroom you like, really. Another key ingredient for the sauce, crème fraiche, gives nice creamy texture. Everyone likes creamy sauce, right? But also provide this little bit of tartness. It's well balanced flavor and it's delicious. Spring onions for the little flavor and color, of course, and some basil. I have Thai basil. Any basil can work. So let's begin. So for the marinade, we start with garlic. We need 3 cloves of garlic. And next ingredients, rosemary, maybe 3 or 4. Lemon zest. This recipe is so simple, and it's always good. My husband loves steak. Now mix all together and add salt, and I add in pink salt, generous amount, and freshly ground black pepper. Like 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And just pinch of red pepper flakes. About 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil. Whisk all together and place meat. So marinate, cover everything nice and even. Cover and leave in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Oh, as you see, the color is really changed. It's well marinated. So what I like to do to get rid of it all excess. So on medium heat, I do not add any fat, but my pan is well greased, well seasoned, so it's ready to do its job. So it's smoky hot right now, and we're going to hear this nice drip. And I like to add some coarse salt. Coarse salt gives more that right texture, and it gives perfect crust. That's why you want to put on the surface additional salt. And black pepper, you never can get too much black pepper on steak. They just love each other. I like to cook a few minutes on each side without flipping over, and let nice seared brown surface. Another thing what I would like to mention, flank steak is nice to cook medium rare. Unfortunately, I found flank steak when it's rare, it's it's tough, it's very chewy. But when it's well done, it's even worse. So this steak is between rare and medium, it's ideal. So I like to do until 132 Fahrenheit, and 5 minutes will be raised more while it's resting steak. So now I think it's time to flip. While steak is resting and reach desired temperature, we making quick sauce. So on low heat, add olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, not too much. Only white part of the green onion, 2 cloves of garlic. The onion, 2 spring onions, only white parts, and 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and now we just roughly chop these mushrooms. I like those big pieces. I think it looks beautiful on steak. So to the pan, mushroom, onion and garlic, and pinch of red peppercorns, black pepper, and pinch of salt. And at this point, everything looks nice and translucent. I like to add a little bit of wine. And it's not expensive wine, but it's good dry wine. And try to use the wine you like to drink, or you would like to drink. So about like half cup or so. And now on medium heat, we need to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce becomes thicker. So now, as you see, the all liquid reduced, and it's time to add our crème fraiche. And it's time to serve the steak. So let's cut the steak. This steak nice to cut against grain. That's perfect. Finally, the sauce is ready. The steak well rested, and I sprinkle this little bit of chopped spring onions and Thai basil. Now time to taste. A little of sauce, little bit of mushroom and steak. So good. The mushroom gives so much flavor and highlights the all deliciousness of this steak. Thanks for watching, and I hope you give it a try soon. And please don't forget, give me a like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.